How's it going?
So,
What's up? Is that done?
Go.
I'm just switching it up.
That's it. It's gonna be jumpy.
Is your prototype done?
I mean, I'm just gonna fix right here so I can put like a what's it called, track on it. I'm trying to fit all 3 wheels right here and then just have 2 wheels right here.
Do you have any evidence of your planning in your journal?
I have my stuff right here.
Can I see it?
Oh, just this. I just have this right now for it.
Where's the other part of the journal?
It's in my journal, but
Where's your journal?
I left it in my car.
I need your journal.
I mean, it's fine.
Were you able to make it work?
Yeah, I can make it. It runs and stuff. Like this thing, only like 4 motors are set to the
What was the problem?
things. I don't even know. I just I updated the firmware on this.
You just updated the
firmware.
The firmware.
Firmware on this and then this, and then it started working. So I think it was just that. It was just like
So you can
outdated.
communicate with this control to that,
Yeah.
and then able to control everything.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Where's your partner?
I don't even know.
You don't know? Has he helped you at all?
Yeah, he's been helpful.
What has
Mostly just like
You
getting
done?
me stuff.
you what?
Just getting me stuff.
Getting your stuff?
Getting me stuff. Like finding stuff for me.
Okay. All right. Thanks for the update. What are we doing back here?
As of right now,
What's my update?
update is we got our right track basically to perfection. In movement, there is no problems with the gears or any of the track systems. So our right side works. Our left side, it is getting jammed up. I think it's because of the gears in here, but it also could be the exterior cover on the top pressing us together, and or it's too tight on one spot. So we're working on detaching our left side and getting that to sustainable side, just like this one. And then we have Robin working on code, taking lead and all around. We're looking at right. We can move right and left. We're focusing now on trying to get to move forwards and backwards.
Have you done any planning on your journals?
Yes, sir. I do not have my journal at the moment.
Where's your journals?
My journal's in my bag, which is not here.
You need to have your journal with you at all times. What have you done?
Who's taking the lead on building the frame?
So is the frame done?
Yeah.
And you can directly attach it? And it works?
It works? That means I can change the direction. Wait, it works? Yeah, it works. Yes.
There's some like little mounting points at the bottom of it, which we're going to attach some Velcro to it, but it should just go on straight, and it's attached to that because all the electronics are going to be mounted on top of there.
So you just mount it directly on top?
Mounted directly on top.
And how you keep it on the
With Velcro.
frame?
Velcro?
Velcro?
Yeah.
I'm gonna need some planning on those journals in addition to that. How's that code?
It's pretty good. Works. We can move left and right, but we can't do forwards and backwards.
How
And
come?
I'm in the process of fixing that problem. It's just the power, the amount of power to be used to control that, and I just have to fix it around, and that's all. But everything else works.
How long do you think it's gonna take you to be able to fix it?
Just an hour, maybe.
About an hour?
Yeah.
Right? Well, we don't have much time.
Yeah, I know.
All right? Good work. What are you doing?
Okay. So I'm trying to. So right now we tried putting this on, but it's a little bit too loose. So right now I'm trying to, since this track is in like pieces, separate pieces attached with each other. I'm trying to take off I'm trying to figure out how to take off one piece to make it tighter, because what we were using to close it was a paper clip that I have misplaced. But Yeah. So right now I'm trying to get. So right now there's a pole. I think a plastic pole in there keeping it together. I'm trying to take it out, so I can see if we can make it fit onto the wheels.
Have you tested it yet?
Have we tested it? No, but they're testing the code over there.
So they're doing code.
Yeah.
Who's part of your team?
Diego.
What are you doing?
Oh, something mounting the gears.
Yeah, he was helping me, and then Diego made a breakthrough over there.
Yeah, he finished the code, so we wanted to go check on that.
Using an Arduino to control the entire tank?
So we didn't know we could use the VEX because this one's for mainly
The
used
BEX motors?
to plug into the brick, but we figured out that we can control it with an Arduino, like connecting it to like this.
Well, the BEX servo is just a motor, right?
Yeah.
And the motor just needs a positive and negative voltage, right?
Yeah. So we figured that out, and we found out that we can change direction via Bluetooth by changing the polarity using this motor controller right here. So right now we're just trying to figure out like the speed, because the slower it goes, the more strength it has to rotate the gears. That way it's easier for it to maneuver, but it's slower. So right now I guess we're also trying to figure that out.
How long do you think that's going to take?
Now that we got the basics done, I'm pretty sure all we have to do is convert it into Bluetooth, and I already know pretty much how to do that because of our last project, so it shouldn't take that long.
All right, well, let's get it done because we don't have much time. I need to see everybody working. Everybody's working, everybody's doing something. Make sure you keep time. Consider time. We don't have much time.
Just like, oh my, dude, this thing's hard.
I do that.
What's my update?
Oh, for right now, at the moment we're just coding it. We just ran it, a test on it. These 4 motors move. It's just these. Well, this one goes really slow, and this doesn't move at all. So I'm gonna have to figure it out to see where the problem is with the coding, and as well as to see if it's the motor itself having too little voltage.
What is the troubleshooting steps that you are considering to be able to like make that happen?
For right now, we're gonna first maybe change the motor for this one to see if it's the motor itself, and I'll run it again with the code, and if it does move, then seeing if it did work or not, and if it's not, I'll have to redesign the code for this motor,
we did it for you. I know exactly what.
for RM1, which is, and then for this one, I had to mostly tinker with the coding to see if it's,
Oh yeah, you have to.
well, yeah, just to see.
How many servos are you using? Or motors?
We're using 6 of them.
6 servos?
Yeah.
So 1 per each wheel?
Yeah.
Why are you using 6 servos?
It'd be more easier to code like that than just only having like 2. And just to make sure to make it more resemble like a tank, because usually like how a tank, it usually has 3 wheels. So that's why we came up with using 3 motors.
Okay. Have you guys done any like research on your journal? You have any evidence of your work? Any
yeah.
planning?
Yeah.
Where are your journals?
Mine's in my backpack.
Can I see your journal real quick?
This is the only one that I have.
Okay. We need to be able to develop those ideas. Okay. And then also, since now you know like part of the code, you need to be able to write it there, and then add annotations to your code, so that you know how it works.
Just have the design, the motors and the tires, the stuff. Where do we have them? And these are the motors, 6 motors on each side.
Okay, just make sure you add comments around. Like, what is the purpose of that? What is the purpose of that? What are my dimensions?
All right.
Make sure that you explain to him how to like take care of that. Okay? All right. Let's keep testing and let's get it done because we don't have enough time.
Try to make it like a straight as possible.
It's literally spinning to the right. It's now spinning to the right again. It's spinning to the right.
Okay, go.
Wiggle around to the right. So this is right, this is left.
Just the right one's working. Just the left one's working.
That means that we have to change the.
So this is right, this is left, this is straight. Right, you can keep it as right as that straight one. Because this one only makes the right side move. Yeah, it's only makes the left side move. Together, but it's going in different directions.
But this one's going backwards and that one's going forward.
You can find different directions.
So you need to do negatives on one side. So with your front and back, you need to do negatives on one side and then also get the second side working.
We did work on that.
Guys, 20 more minutes of work.
Yes or no? Yes.